So how do you change the text color on an iPad? Let's explain that. So if you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you do not miss tutorials and explanations like this one. Okay, so it really depends on where the text is located, right? Because if you are talking about like the general UI and the text, like in the settings, for example, or generally on the iPad, in there we cannot change the color, only thickness and size in the display and brightness, right? So we can change that only. However, in some of the different software options, like in the text editors and presentation tools and all that kind of stuff, we have the ability to play with those settings, right? So for example, a lot of people use the Google Slides or Google Documents or whatever else, right? And in there you have the ability to like select the text and change the way that it looks, right? So you can change the color of the text entirely, or you can change, the background or underline colors, right? So usually in those like apps or in Photoshop, right? That's a great example. In those, you have the ability to change the color of the text that you are working with, but again, no option to change the text of general user interface of the iPad. So I hope that it answers the question for you. Let me know what you think about that below. Like if you have some additional questions, share them right now, but most definitely stay tuned by subscribing so you don't miss the next videos and the tutorials like this one. So thanks a lot and I'll see you later.